Alrighty guys, welcome back to another brutal day in these brutal markets. Not a fun day, just not a good day at all. Not just for the uh, crypto market, but also for the general market. We kind of just had a sell-off, and I've got a bunch of things I want to go ahead and talk about on this video. So yeah, just go ahead and sit back, relax, and let's get into it. So, starting off with the 1 hour chart for BTC, we unfortunately made a new lower low. So, our new lower low now is going to be 82, 1, well, it's going to be 111, but let's just go ahead and change this right here. I know it doesn't really matter, but why not? 82, 111. This is our new lowest low. All right. In the morning, it seemed like we were getting a bit of a where was it? Where we start off? I'm on the 1 hour chart. My bad. I didn't realize that. Okay, so yeah, right here. So it looked like we were. If let me just go on to a shorter time frame. Right here, market open. We did sell off before market opened, but then right when market opened, we started seeing a rise, and it was, I mean, it was kind of, let me see, I forget where the, oh my gosh, what was that? It was about a 3%. I mean, this was significant. We haven't seen a pump like this in I don't even know how long, and it kind of looked like maybe this was bottom right here. But of course, that did not hold up for long. As soon as we got that pump, we ended off the day minus 7%. I mean, geez, this is actually getting really, really, really crazy and frustrating. Very, very frustrating. But let's just see. I also switched over to the trading view chart just because we have much more things um, to work with, and it'll be a better charting experience, I think, and also better quality for the video as well. So I've got a few support levels for you guys. All right. So support number one, I have at 79,200. This is basically a zero point 0.5 fib level, pretty strong fib level. Support number two is going to be the 30% pullback that you typically see in bull cycles with BTC. And support number three is basically I got it from the daily chart. I'm going to go ahead and go over all of these, all right? Just one at a time. So let's go ahead and move away from the 1 minute chart and go into the, actually, not just straight up to the daily. Let's go over to the 1 hour real quick. So, I mean, we've literally just been in a downtrend, quite literally. I mean, this is just a downtrend, continuous downtrend, right here. You know, I am making this line. You know, right now I just saw this little descending trend line, and it tried breaking through right here, I guess, and tried. It hit it right here, it could not break through. So maybe we'll leave this and see in future videos what happens to that trend line. But basically, I mean, there's nothing more to say other than we've literally just sort of double topped right over here. Not a perfect double top, but some sort of a double top right here. Let me change it to like red. Sort of like a double top right here, and then ever since it's just been blood on the streets, right? Blood on the streets. And currently we are down 25%. 25% is kind of crazy if you ask me. I'm gonna go ahead and jump the boat and skip support number one and show you guys support number two real quick and just kind of explain to you how I got that. And that basically is because of this 30% pullback right here. So that's how I got the second support level right there. As you guys can see, around 76. I put it at 76,500 just to have a clean number. But we thought that, you know, this right here, where is it? Oh no, I don't use this too much. So where is it? Where's right here? So we thought that this right here was going to be the lowest low that we would have, moving forward, but quickly got invalidated, obviously, clearly. So that's a bit unfortunate. But what now? What happens now? How do we move forward? What can we do? So let's go ahead and figure that out together. Support number one that I have is the 0.5 fib level. Okay, first of all, I have this line right here. Like I said, this is if we go below this, then we're gonna make a new lower low, so this gets invalidated. I delete this, and then I draw another line where we make a low. But this is basically below this you get a lower low, which is not what you want to see, but that's what this line is for. Support number one is the 0.5 fib level. How did I get that? If you go ahead and let's just see. No, not from there. I think I did it on the 4. No, it was a daily. Let's go ahead and show you real quick. Delete that. Make this a bit bigger so you guys can see. Alright, so let's just get it from this right here to right about there. Alright, so we pretty much broke the 0.382 level, and we broke it. We tried coming back up the next day. We broke down. We couldn't close above it, and then of course this is the new daily candle, so we'll have to wait 24 hours to see what happens to this one. But for now, we are below the 382 level. The 0.5 level basically is where I drew the second or the first support at the 0.5 fib level. It's a pretty strong fib level, so that's going to be our support number one. Support number two, I truly believe, is another valid support just because of the 30% pullback. Support number three, it's kind of opinion based, right? You could say the reason why I drew it over here on the daily is because of this resistance right here. We've had multiple resistance points, so pretty strong support right there. You could also make support number three 72,000, right? Just because it's the 618 fib level. So support number three, up to you. You want to go ahead and leave it at 73.6, or do you want to bring it down to 72? Those are going to be your three support levels for now. So, and again, this is just my opinion. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is what I believe to be pretty strong support levels. Let's go ahead and move on to the liquidation heat map, because we like to check this every single day. In the past 12 hours, we've had crazy liquidations all the way down. Look at this, to 82, of course, but if we see, we do have some liquidations at 81, and let's just go ahead and go to the 1-day liquidation chart, see what we got going on there. Okay, 81, yeah. Let's go ahead and check the 3 days. Yeah, pretty crazy. We now officially have more liquidations to the upside than we have to the downside. So I don't even know what to make of this, to be very honest with you. All signs point to upwards momentum, but market makers don't even want to take it there at all. They just want to punish us and just make retail capitulate something. I don't know what's going on, to be honest, anymore. But I mean, look at this. Look at these bright green lines all the way up here to 99.6. Crazy stuff. Alrighty, let's check out the crypto fear and greed index. Let's go ahead and refresh it. We are at historical levels. 20. Have we ever been? Wow. Yeah, we've never been at a 20 fear level. We haven't, right? I'm not misreading this, am I? No. We've literally never been at a 20 fear level. This is kind of historical, isn't it? Yeah, this is insane. So there you guys go. Breaking news from me as well. We've hit the lowest level on the crypto fear and greed index when it comes to fear, since, and this doesn't, account for, like 5-10 years. It's only from June 29, 2023, but that's about 2.5 years. So no, that's not 2.5 years. That's like 1.5 year or 2 years. I don't know. It doesn't matter. The point is, since June 29, 2023, we have never been at a level 20 fear level, whatever you want to call it. So take that for what it's worth. We also have fear and greed index in the market as a whole, also at 22. Famous saying, buy the fear, sell the greed, right? So if hindsight's anything to learn something from, then this is where we should reverse. But I don't want to keep saying that because everyone's been saying that for the past few days and few weeks. So let the dust settle, let's see what happens, and we'll go from there. But that's pretty much it. Before I leave, have we hit any of the bull market peak signals? This should be an obvious one, but we like to check it in every video regardless. But yeah, it's pretty much all I got for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.